Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red and blue subscribe button to get yourself subscribed to this channel. Also turn on your notification bell so YouTube can always get you notified whenever I upload a new video. On this channel I upload contents on how to naturally solve most of our health issues, benefits of so many natural things, DIYs, and so many more. So if you're interested in this kind of content, do keep on watching this channel. Today, loves, I want to make this video based on popular demand. So this video is based on popular demand. You've been asking me to put out more videos on the health of joystick and how to increase your time in bed. Okay, so this video is going to be based on popular demand, your own demand. So back to, in our previous video we talked about the health of the joystick, right? And in this video we are going to talk again about what to do in order to increase your time in bed, what to do in order to make sure you last longer and stronger. Okay, so if you're interested, if you are part of the people asking me to make this video, please do watch this video to the end. All right, okay loves, let me introduce you to the ingredients.
For this home remedy, we'll be needing 2 ingredients. The first one is cloves. Cloves has always been used to treat different health-related issues because of its medicinal properties. It increases energy, improves sexual performance, and increases testosterone levels. The next ingredient is nutmeg. Nutmeg increases blood circulation, which also helps in erectile dysfunction. Then we are going to have our clean water. Into a pot or saucepan, you are going to add 500 ml of clean water. That is about 2 cups of water. Then we are going to get our cloves and add 2 teaspoons of cloves. Then into it we are going to also add half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Then with the aid of a spoon or a spatula, we are going to give it a quick mix and head over to our stove top. There we are going to put on the heat and we are going to simmer this for 5 to 7 minutes. After a period of 5 to 7 minutes, we are going to turn off the heat and we are going to allow it to cool a little bit. Then we get our mug or any cup of your choice and we are going to sieve it into it. This is what we are going to be taking every night for at least 3 days. Please, I recommend you take this in the night, at night, and not in the morning. Always consult with your doctor in case you are allergic to any of these ingredients or in case you are taking any other medications. Okay.
Alright, I've come to the end of today's video. If you loved this video as usual, please give me thumbs up. Remember to share my videos with your friends, your family members, your loved ones, everyone, and share it to everywhere shareable. Until next time, remain blessed. Bye.